Hey guys, well, here's an update on this guy. Ironically, carburetor was a little dirty, and the weird thing is one of them squelch plugs fell out of it, which is quite bizarre. Somebody must have messed with it one time or another. So anyway, Dad fixed that. He put it back on, still wouldn't start. So he's free, he's a little mad, and I'm like, let's see something. Do you hear that solenoid? And don't hear it. So he says he tested it, so sure enough, I get the test light out and nada. Start back probing and stuff and get it to come on when I wiggle the key. And then it run and then it die again. So the one key I don't have in stock from all the scrapping is the one that went bad. Not really bad, just the rusty terminals. So he sanded it down better with some fine file and whatnot. More diaelectric, and she's good now. So it's funny how I'm going to mow the neighbors, but the grass is too wet the last time, so let's see. That's the way it should idle. Oh, and you know what? I had a little bit of a forewarning on this electrical issue, because if you look back at the video I made before when I was trying to start it, did you notice how the amp gauge, you'll see it when it was running, or when I made a video, I forget when it was, but you'll see that it was charging and all of a sudden it went to dead, then charging and then dead. Well, figured out what that was about. That was the bad connection. Key was coming back and forth loose, probably quick like. So what happened is I still had fuel solenoid, so it didn't stall, but I bet you that's what it was. The thing sat for so long, who knows? You know? Who knows how long it sat and just corroded. So anyway, alright guys, so there's updates on the tractor. It seems good to go now, so gonna enjoy firing that up and mow with it later. I got military coming by the sounds of it. Alright, see if I can get some pictures.